Is Gujarat Singh.
Grazad Singh, nice to meet you.
My name is Bharat Meena.
Batmina, nice to meet you. I'm Tairo. So,
What's your name?
Tairo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, you're going to take me to the temple.
Yeah.
Guys, you're going to
Yeah.
take us to the temple. We're going to go and see the temple. And yeah, let's go. So, at night time, is there lights? Lights. Oh, look, the monkey. Hello, monkey.
Want to visit the temple from inside or outside?
I don't mind. I was outside already. So, I don't mind going inside.
Coming inside, that was a next level of spirituality.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
come inside.
Okay, come.
But for come inside, you have to open your shoes.
Okay, that's fine. Let's take off our shoes. Oh. Is there like every day like this?
What?
Every day the temple?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, do that. I see people, guys. Everyone is worshiping, praying. Wow. Really?
Yeah, really. And there are very precious metals.
Wow. All of that, guys, is made of silver.
Necklaces are made from diamond, everything.
The necklaces are made from diamonds.
These ornaments are very precious.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, so pretty. Diamond, gold.
Yeah.
See silver, diamond,
And
gold.
you know this look like umbrella.
Yeah?
This is of gold.
Oh, wow. The umbrella is made of gold, guys. Blue gold. The umbrella. Okay, guys, we're gonna get closer. We're gonna get way closer now.
They give sweets and something that eat by that gives one for the life.
It is natural in our spirituality. There we mean tulsi.
Yeah?
It is a tree and it is very useful to our health.
Okay, I'm gonna get some as well. We eat it. We eat it, guys. So, let's go. I'm getting nervous, guys. I'm getting closer. He's taking me close. Wow.
Because in their man nearly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So cool.
यहाँ पे सीधे
Oh, the backside, yeah.
This is the back side of the temple. And look there. There was a temple of
Yeah?
mountain. And here mountain you throw some temple.
Oh, yes.
This is the temple.
Wow. It's closed now?
Yeah. No, it's open. But then you will go that time it was closed.
Ah,
There
it's very
you
far.
have to go only single. No, there you do not be able to go with vehicles.
No, walking.
Yeah, walking.
Yeah, walking on mountain.
No.
Oh, there's a
How about
stairs.
lion?
Oh, there's
No, it's
lion.
stairs. There is no train. There are stairs.
Yeah? There's no lion there?
Oh, there's
No.
What's up, guys? Your boy East to the West, guys. Let me put you guys into this, guys. There's a way that you can make money on your phone while playing games, because I know a lot of you play video games on your phone and going on with apps. You can make money, but I'm not talking about being rich. I'm not talking about popping bottle in the clubs. Okay, I'm talking about having little money in your pocket. Okay, where you can buy sweets, whatever, and tap your Oyster card, whatever, with it. Anyway, let me explain how it works, because I know it's too good to be true. You know, a lot won't believe it. So there's an app called Free Cash. So Free Cash helps apps and games find users like you know, to join. So these apps and games end up paying for new users, which means they'll be paying you to play the games. Okay, and users end up liking the games. So Free Cash helps put some of the money back in your pocket. Back in your pocket. I'm telling you guys, it's true and it's simple. The link is right there. Just press that link. Crazy. Wow. Very beautiful shaka. Yeah. Look at the painting on the wall, guys. Okay. He's gonna show me the temple, guys. This is the
temple of Giraj, and here you will feel the peace.
yeah. This is the temple of Giraj, guys.
Because many people do not know about this temple. Only their local peoples can know about this temple.
Okay.
People come and visit the main temple and run away.
Not this one.
Not
So I'm probably the first one that visit this one.
Yeah.
Wow. So is that like a gold as well or no?
No, this is also gold.
Yeah.
And all these things are precious. Look, this umbrella-like structure, all are the silvers.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And the ornaments they are wearing, they are very precious.
Uh-huh. Nice, nice. Good to know, you know?
Yeah.
To know about the history.
There's too much photos there also.
What does this photo mean?
We don't know too much about them.
Yeah?
This means they are treating some people.
Yeah, they're treating some people.
They are doing the treatment.
And more pictures here.
Yeah. This all line full of pictures.
Wow.
This is the childhood of Lord Krishna and his brother.
Yeah? I wanna visit. Tomorrow I'm gonna explore more.
Yeah.
Wow.
They are by handmaids.
Everything handmade, yeah.
Yeah. They are playing, dancing at the Gurukul, worshipping. Abu bula rahe hain
Me? What I'm gonna ask them
Thank you so
I wanna ask a question.
much.
Okay, what is your relationship with Krishna? How is your relationship like with Krishna?
वर्शिप मतलब
आपका रिश्ता कैसा है कृष्ण के साथ?
हाँ कृष्ण जी के बहुत अच्छा है सखाए वो बहुत अच्छा है
She is saying that this was very good.
Very good.
वो हमारे फ्रेंड सखा हैं।
ये बाल किसने बनाए
Here, India, Delhi.
दिल्ली
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you.
आपसे मिलकर
अच्छा लगा।
थैंक यू सो मच
Ciao, ciao. You're welcome. Bye bye.
कार्ड लीजिए किधर हो?
What did I say?
they are saying go to Barsana and visit the temple. Then you will feel good. This is
This
the
is-
exit.
Oh, the exit. I think I didn't come from here. I come from the other side. I have to go that side.
Yeah. I am showing the temple. These all are the gardens of the temple.
Yeah, the garden of the temples.
Yeah.
All this. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop the video here, and thank you guys for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you to my man for helping me out.
Thank you.
For helping me out, for supporting me, to trivialize me. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios. Peace.
please subscribe him like the channel and follow him bye bye